Hey fellow DIYers, today I'm going to show you a couple of ways to remove moss from your roof. So the first method is with a wire brush. Get on your roof and gently brush the moss off of your roof with the wire brush.
Scraping off the moss gives you immediate results, but there will still be moss spores in between cracks and in areas you don't hit with the brush. This is when method 2 comes in handy, and method 2 can be done from the ground if you buy the right type of spray bottle or hose attachment. Something like this product on Amazon can be sprayed up to 30 feet away.
Now the moss will grow back if this is the only step that you take. Remove the tree branches that are covering up your roof. This is most likely the reason you have moss in the first place. The sun can't shine light on your roof. Moss grows in dark places. Now the second method you can use, which you can combine with the first method for the most foolproof method of them all, is to apply some bleach and water. 1 part bleach, 1 part water. That means if you use 1 cup bleach, you use 1 cup water, half and half. Put it into some kind of spray jug and spray down your roof. This may take a couple of weeks. You'll see the moss turn yellow after a while, and then the next heavy rain will knock the moss off, or it'll just fall off after a wind or just by decaying after a while. This is my preferred method because it is extremely easy and really hands-off. There really isn't much to this video. We're talking about simple moss removal here. Another great piece of value I can offer to you is to subscribe to this channel, because this whole thing is part of a bigger series on a vacation rental investment remodel that I'm doing in the Blue Ridge Mountains in North Carolina. It's an exciting journey that you should be a part of, so subscribe, hit that thumbs up button to help me with that YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you around my channel. Thanks.